Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick update here on my truck, and I'm just gonna become a fanboy and tell you that I love it. I love my 2014 Chevy Silverado. I just hit 100,000 miles. I'm actually about 102, maybe 103,000 miles, and this truck has been fantastic. I got it back when it has 36,000 miles or something like that. So I put quite a good amount of miles on it, and I have been very, very happy. The only thing that I've done has been oil changes. I did the brakes, obviously, and at one point I had to do something to the AC. Essentially, what happened was that Chevy has a recall where it was a bracket that was, not there. Because of that, one of the line was leaking, if I remember correctly. So the guy changed the line, got the new bracket from the dealer, put it on, and never again I have had any issues. I tell you, love the crew cab. I don't know why people don't get it for a family vehicle, because the space that you have in the inside is just amazing. Really, a lot of space. I travel all the time with my children, and they love it. So far it has been a great truck. I do have the 5.3 liter. I think it's a flex engine. It goes from V8 to V4. And again, the miles is just expected for what a truck gives you, right? Sometimes I get really good mileage. Sometimes I don't, but it is a truck, right? Comfortable, works great, has been mechanically amazing. It has been great. And for me that have back surgery, it's really nice the way that I'm sitting in the truck. It gives me a really good position. And again, in other cars out there, usually my back is hurting. And this truck is fantastic. So if you have any disability or anything like that, is great. So again, about 102, 103,000 miles, highly recommended. The truck looks great, and I has been pretty fan of it. I has been pretty happy with it. It's the second Chevy Silverado that I get crew cab. The other one that I got, I think it was a 2007. Now I got a 2014. And again, the next car that I'm gonna have is probably gonna be another one, because I just like them that much. So if you're thinking about getting one, I'm telling you, I'm just speaking from experience. Mine has been great. I appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you subscribe for more content. And as always, God is in control.